Hello everyone, how are you all doing? So today here we are back with a new video on Navis work. I have already created a video on clashes in Navis work series, but that was a very general method. But here what I am trying to include is some tips and tricks which will make your clashes an effective method and which will also increase your productivity. This video is going to be very short. There are hardly three tips and tricks which normally people don't use it. This is a very small project, but what if it is a project of multiple story? What if it is a project of many elements? What you will do in that case? It becomes sometimes very difficult to work with Nevis work clashes interface screen because there are so many elements coming here and there. So what I am trying to do is I am trying to demonstrate how you can overcome that situation wherein you are not able to understand where exactly this clash is coming. So for that purpose, first of all, you will go to home and you will go to this clash detection, and once you do go over there, uh, I will delete the clash which I have created. I will create a new clash report right from the scratch. And for creating the new clash report right from the scratch, what I am doing is I am keeping all the settings the same, the generic settings which we normally use with the tolerance, with the hard clashes, all those things. And I will select both arc model because I want to run the clashes uh, with only in the arc model. And once you come here, I will first find out where exactly this clash is coming. So this is a floor and this is a wall. Okay. So now there is a clash between a floor and a wall. Let me find out another clash which comes right at the center so that it becomes easier for us to demonstrate if there is a situation with hard clashes with very small elements, what exactly we will do in that scenario. Okay, so now we can consider this clash which is coming here. And just imagine that there are multiple story here. And you need to understand where exactly the location is coming and how you will go through this. First of all, you need to understand one thing, that there are different options which comes up here, and you should be well versed with it. So I want to keep this video short, and if you want to know all these options, you can go and see the work general clash method. In that case, I've explained everything. But here, I just want to demonstrate the effective method. So first of all, we will hide all the details, and you will understand where exactly that clash is coming. So that clash is coming between these two elements here, which is this wall, which is this basic wall, and then which is the concrete slab. Okay, so the concrete slab is passing through this wall. Hence, Nevis is showing this as a clash. Now you have understood there is a clash between this element. But what if there are other clashes associated with this wall? So first, I want to segregate all those clashes which are associated with this wall, because as compared to these two elements, it's the larger element. So for that purpose, what I will do is I will select this element here, and then I will go to inclusive option, and you can see here that there are these 5 different clashes which are linked, which are connected to that wall. So very first thing what I will do is I will group this clashes into one category. What this will do is this will bring down this number down. Okay. So now here what we have to do is we have to uh, name just because I want this clash to appear at the top, I am naming this as AAA, and let me just close off entire category, and I want my alphabet to be coming on top. And here if I go down, what is happening, you can see that all these 7 clashes are coming up here. So if I select the 752, what will happen here is you can see that there is this small element. What is that element? That is a metal circular a support which is coming from, I guess, stairs. Okay, which is coming from stairs, and which is going right inside this wall. So I have understood that there is a clash between these two elements and I have to move the other element. Okay. Now what I will do is I will dimension other and will try to understand where is this clash coming. Okay. So now this is a very small model. What is happening? There is only this one stairs which is there. Hence I can identify the location. Now what you have to do is once you have checked the clash and once you want to be very sure of this location again, okay, so what you will do is either you can go to switchback. Okay, if you go to switchback, before going to switchback, what you will do is you will make sure that this Navis switchback option is enabled, and you will select this element here or else select the wall. No, I will select this small element which is the support, and I will click here on switchback. So once I click on switchback, what is happening? Revit is trying to find a good view so that it can open that smaller element which is coming here. I can see that the number is 1, and I will go to 3D and I will press BX. Once I press BX, what happens is there is this wall which is selected. If I go in Navis, that small metal, where exactly that is coming, I can see here in Revit. Okay. So either I can go to switchback and I can find out, but most of the time switchback will not be working because you will be changing the location of the NWC file that you have just exported from Revit. In that scenario, what you will do? As you have selected this clash 752, you will close off this clash screen and you will go to viewpoint and you will enable sectioning, and fit to selection option you will select. Once you select fit to selection, make sure that this box option is enabled, and you can see here that there is a clash between these two elements. Okay, let me just zoom into that category. Okay, see here. So what is happening? Just because you have selected the option of enable sectioning, Revit is giving you flexibility to understand where exactly this clash is coming, and now you can go from here and understand that okay, fine, this is the clash between this staircase support, I mean railing support, and this wall. See, so now what has happened? You have understood where exactly the clash is coming and how you can resolve it. So what mistake we do is we don't include this enable sectioning method as well as clashes together, because of which we go on doing the random method, and even we don't group the clashes as I have grouped here. So see here, just imagine that you go on grouping the clashes. What if you have a multiple member team? You can assign one group to one person, the other group to the other group to the other person, and if they include this enable sectioning method as well as this inclusive method, this will shape your method of how you are running the clashes. Okay, so this is an effective method of doing the clashes. You can play around with enabled sectioning as well as this inclusive as well as exclusive method. What will happen is you will understand in a better way how this clashes can be done in an effective manner. That transparent dimming option, sometimes it becomes very confusing, but with this method I hope you will get some relaxation. So thank you. I wanted to keep this video short and just a bit of tips and tricks in this. So let us, as always, let us wise and shine together. Thank you so much.